Underneath the midnight moon's cold gray light, a shadow rises tall in her hidden sight. A whisper from the forest, it's howling wild. Drifting through the silence, it's untamed and wild. Feathers mixing with the beast on the prowl, an angel born of twilight ready to howl. Wind carries secrets in her ghostly flight. In the echoes of the dark, she takes her first bite. Wolf angel howling through the endless night, eyes of fire piercing with a hidden might. Dancing with the shadows, her wings unfold. In the wild call of midnight, she is bold. Mountaintops are thrown unclaimed and free, her voice the anthem of the lost decree. With every note she bends the ancient rules, a melody that makes the wild ones fools. Claws of mystery scratch the timberland, the harmony of mayhem through the silent sand. Stars quiver at the sound of freedom's cry, woven through the darkness she will fly. Wolf angel howling through the endless night, eyes of fire piercing with a hidden might. Dancing with the shadows, her wings unfold. In the wild call of midnight, she is bold.